Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we're moving on with issue 3 of the Deagostini R2-D2. We have a small set of parts here. Let's get to it. Alright, here are the parts we received with today's issue. We have the right leg outer casing, primary photoreceptor extension, primary photoreceptor lens, and the control circuit board with test buttons. In addition, you'll need these parts from issues 1 and 2. Alright, we will not be permanently assembling any of the parts today, but we are test assembling them to make sure that everything is a good fit. We'll begin with the right leg outer casing and the leg assembly from issue 2. You slide the piece directly in like this, lining up the pins with the holes on the leg assembly. Be careful not to foul this piece. Look at that. That looks incredible. Moving on, we want to take the photoreceptor lens and the lens assembly. We're just going to slide it in with the round part facing out. Now this does have protective plastic on it. I don't want to take that off right now. Might get fingerprints on the lens, and until we're ready to permanently assemble it, I don't really see why we should. But look at that. That's going to be incredible. Now we can take the extender and we slide it in like this with this plate facing in to go into that slot. It just slides in nice and neat. And there you have it. Looks like we've got a good test fit on all of this. The last item is the test circuit board. Now we're going to need a power supply to go with this, but in the meantime, we can take the LEDs from issue 1 and plug them in to this one here that is labeled out. The port is keyed, so you can't put it in wrong. Be gentle though, you don't want to break anything. And there we go. And now all we need is a power supply and we're ready to test the LEDs. Alright, and there you have it. That was a very short issue where unfortunately we didn't permanently assemble anything, but we did get some incredible pieces that we'll be using down the road. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please click like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always know when we release a new video. See you next week.